Transmech is a Tanseek investment group company operating in Dubai, UAE. Predominantly a brick and mortar industry, introduced various systems and procedures to make things streamlined. Having said that, the traditional repairs of equipment, vehicles remained pretty much untouched, and we didn't have a clue how to go further. That's the point when Zuper came into the limelight, and it was introduced by QZ Informatics, and we could very well utilize the power of digitization through Zuper. Delegate jobs, issue parts, carry out the work without having to go to the desktop and updating stuff. And it is more of a workflow from start of opening a job card to closure and tracking of every element of the repair and having the whole history available as reports which can be downloaded.
The mobilization team goes with the assets to move the assets to the site, and they have their checklist. When they issue the machineries or equipment to the site, they have multiple checklists. They confirm it with the presence of the site members, and we can just online from the application itself, we can just verify from their customer and the client, they both can sign, and it will be a recordical for us, and it's just a paperless, so it's all stored in our data. And in this way, all our work, when it was previously, it was all data work we used to manually enter and everything. Now everything is getting stored, automated in Zuper itself. So anything, any reports, any previous history, previous work related for the assets, everything is easy. Just a one click and we can just search everything on the Zuper, and it has made our work very easy, and we are happy with Zuper.
This mobile application is very compatible for the workshop activities. Actually, it's very user friendly. You can use this one anywhere, anytime. Then also you will get the on-time notification at the same time. Then for the supervisors, there is less paperwork for them. You can attach the photos, reports, accident reports, anything, notes, anything inside this one. All the history is available, so no need to worry about you need to check again, you need to check the Excel, like that things we can avoid. Also, you can avoid the phone calls. As per the customer's point of view, actually they are getting the on-time updation about the work, what parts we are changing, and what is the status of the job, then when we can complete the job. All the details are in their fingerprint.